When was the last time you made money while doing absolutely nothing? Since starting my digital product business, I have made money while hanging out with my friends and family, while I'm creating content, working out, and just relaxing. Now, I'm talking about no DMs, no calls, just a system that really works without me so that I can do and focus on what's really important. Now, I'm going to be sharing exactly how I set that all up. Now, before I jump into that, let me tell you exactly how I used to sell. So a few years ago, I didn't have my backend systems all automated. I would do most of everything in my business manually. Now, even though I was organized and I had everything in folders like in Google Drive and I had like scripts and templates, I still needed me to be present in order for my business to run. So here's how it kind of looked like. If someone would DM me on social media, I would then send them a link to my Calendly where they would then schedule a discovery call. Now, during that call, I would share with them my services that matches their particular needs. And if they decided to move forward with one of my services, then I would then drop the link in the chat and then they would sign up for my coaching program. Now, after I would get off the call, I would then have to send them a manual email, which was a welcome email, and then even maybe giving them access to the contract. I would also give them access to their Google Drive folder where I would then have the agenda and materials for them. Now, even though I had like the template where I would copy and paste and put it in Gmail, and I would just like change it according to the client, it still consumed my time and energy. And to be honest, I didn't look forward to those moments. I realized that I needed a system. And I told myself, you know what? If it's going to take me the entire year, then so be it. I'm going to spend my time creating my backend systems. And I did just that. So what I did in 2025, not only did I create systems for my digital products, but I also created systems for hiring, onboarding team members. I created systems for my coaching practice and consulting. I created systems for everything. You name it, everything has a place. Even for my affiliates, I have a system for everything. And so here's the simple thing that I use when it comes to digital products. So you need a digital product, okay? So that's the first thing. If you don't have a digital product, you want to create a digital product, or if you're selling someone else's digital product, you want to make sure that you have that affiliate link. So once you have that digital product, the second step is to place it somewhere, a landing page. I like to use a online store like StanStore. There's so many of these out right now. You can use Gumroad, there's Beacons. I believe there's one called systems.io. StanStore is my go-to link in bio store. I think it's like all inclusive. Like it really allows you to not only host your digital products, it automates everything for you. So when a customer purchases your product, then it's an automatic email sent to them where they can download the product and they get the confirmation email, the receipt, everything is there. You can also set up email funnels there, as well as you can host your community. So there's just a lot of things that these link in bio tools offer you. Now, if you're not someone who wants to use one of these tools, then you can build your store on your website, as long as you have a landing page. So it looks like this. It's product, your sales page, and then your email sequences. What are you going to be sending after the person purchased your product? Is there a follow-up email sequence that you're going to be sending out? So I have that set up for all my digital products as well. And so that's pretty much it. That's what it looks like. It's very, very, very simple. You have a product, you host it on a store landing page. The customers purchase that product. They get a sequence of emails nurturing them. They're on your email list. And now it's up to you to immerse them inside your community. And that is it, you guys. That is how I set up my automated systems for my digital products. And here's why this works for my life. I realized in 2023, towards the end of 2023, early 2024, I had 2 emergency surgeries. And this is when I started to realize, you know what? I can no longer go on in business doing everything manually. If I have to be out for health reasons, or if I just want to take a vacation or a break, I deserve that. And I don't want to have to rely on myself being in my business in order for my business to run. And so it works for my life because I'm able to take time when I need it. I'm able to do other things that mean a lot to me. And I'm able to sit back and watch my business scale while I focus on doing the work that's more important, which is building my community and creating content. So it works perfect for my life. It may not work for everyone, but if you are a service-based entrepreneur, if you're a coach, consultant, or even a content creator, and you're looking for a simple system to automate your business, especially if you are in digital marketing, this is the way to go. Start small and then scale as you need. You don't need a million tools. I think I use about 6 to 8 tools in my digital product business. I honestly don't use a lot of tools. But the key is to start small and then you start adding systems as you go. So here's how you can start. So number one, I would say create your digital product. Choose a store that works for you. Not everyone's going to use the same store. I know people who love to create landing pages on their website. I actually used to do this. It's very easy. If you know how to build a landing page in WordPress, all you need to do is create a custom page with your own links. You could do it that way or choose a link in bio store. And then you want to set up your email sequences. And once you have all that set up, you will thank yourself later because your business will be one step in the direction of being automated. I hope this helps someone. If you want to drop a comment, feel free to do that. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions, and feel free to share this video with someone you think who can use this. My name is Dupay, and this is your Daily Dose with Dupay, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next one.